and it's going to be a low-cost media plan. So it might be, a Facebook ad remarketing campaign that's $2 a day, $5 a day, very, very, very low cost, very high efficiency. These are a warm market. And then, of course, you've got email systems for follow-up. Remember the bottom four? And you can have, sorry about that. You can have an email nurturing system. I'm going to expand that. So let's have a look at that. So let's say, somebody opts in on your form on your landing page and they go to a thank you page, but you don't contact them. So they get email 1. It might be and then day later, email 2, day 3. Then you might hit them with an offer. That might go to a different landing page. They didn't take that up. They get email 5, email 6, email 7, maybe another offer. That offer takes another landing page, email 9, 10. So email 1, 2, and 3, value, value, value. Email 5, 6, 7, value, value, value. Give, give, give. Email 9, 10, 11, give, give, give. What's the book by Gary Vaynerchuk? Jab, 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 right hook. Jab, jab, jab stands for give, 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 offer. Give, 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 offer. So that's, but there's lots of different ways of doing an email setup.